Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by unpairing the Apple Watch from your iPhone. This creates a backup and automatically prepares the device to erase. Once unpaired, make sure the watch has sufficient charge or is on its charger so the process won't fail midway. If you can't unpair, know your Apple ID and password because you'll need them to remove activation lock. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone, select the watch, and tap Unpair Apple Watch to start the secure erase sequence. If you're working directly on the watch, go to Settings, then General, and tap Reset to reach the Erase option. Once there, choose Erase all content and settings and enter your passcode to authorize. This clears apps, data, and settings. If the watch is cellular, you'll be offered Erase all and keep plan or Erase all and remove plan. Pick based on whether you'll reuse the plan. After confirming, the watch will reboot and begin the secure wipe. This can take several minutes. Once the erase completes, you'll see the welcome screen. Decide to set up as new or restore from the backup created during unpairing via the Watch app on your iPhone. If activation lock still appears, sign into iCloud. Open Find My, and remove the watch from your devices to clear the lock. If pairing or restore fails, restart both the iPhone and the watch and retry. If problems continue, use recovery mode on the watch or contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.